Now in this video we're going to make a polarity indicator circuit with a protective resistor and a couple LEDs. We'll get to that in a little bit. We'll look and see. We got 5 volts at the power supply outputs on. I got current limited 20 milliamps. You don't want to put more than 20 milliamps through these indicator LEDs. And so that's why we got a 220 ohm resistor. Keeps the current below 20 milliamps for the LEDs and below 1/8 of a watt. It's a 1/4 watt resistor. But in any case, we are going to take the red LED first and just wire a LED circuit for the most part. So we're going to put the long lead, the anode, to the resistor, short lead, the cathode. And then we will power this. We're going to just move one jumper at a time. We don't want to put them into the same spot. I'm going to move them around a bit. So I'll make sure I disconnect both of them before I make a connection. So in any case, there you can see the red LED lights up. But it's a diode. It only lights up if you apply power in the right direction. So again, we're not done with our circuit yet, but now we're going to prove here that if you put the power on the opposite direction, the LED won't light up. It's reverse bias right now. Before it was forward bias. So the longer lead, the anode, is up, shorter lead, cathode, is down. So it's reverse bias. So we're going to take the blue LED and we're going to forward bias it in this condition. So I'm going to put the longer lead down. So I'm putting in the opposite direction as the red LED. Shorter lead, the cathode, up right there. And so now it lights up. So we have a polarity indicator. We can tell which jumper is above the other right now. It's more negative on top, more positive on bottom because the blue LED is lit up. And again, I'm going to disconnect them both before I apply the power. I don't want to short circuit anything. I do have current limited on my power supply though. So it'll just turn off when it sees a short circuit. But there we go. We got red on top, red LED right there. So in any case, that's it. It's a little visual to help you see which direction the current is going, thus which direction the voltage is applied. So it's a little bit nice when you're beginning in electronics. Nice little circuit. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen. Click like, subscribe, the bell, all that. Donate to Patreon if you can. That helps out the most. I have links down in the description. But just watching videos helps a ton. Thanks for that. I'll see you in the next video.